Hey folks, most of the time I try to build it till opening a card, but unfortunately, the mic didn't work. And I gotta show you what I opened today. Today I opened this box. I realized that there was no voice in the video. It's a 2020 Elite Extra Edition. It comes with 5 cards. Paid $25 on eBay. 2020 opinion. Basically, what it came in this packet here. Very much is the first card I shake it out. I don't know much about this guy here, Billy Warren. Looks like a minor league player or college. But I did get a relic, Chris Hamahan card. What looks like USA is like, right there is the uniform relic. There it is. The second card I got is that green Drill Brisma from Milwaukee. Kind of cool, shiny pink. Right here. So it comes with 2 pinks. One, is a number 49 out of 79. Right here. The back side of it. And I got 1 autograph. Don't know much about this guy. I'm in the hospital, so you hear the beeping. So hold the voice work. So this is at 55 out of 230. So once again, here's the box. I don't see much about this at all. It comes with 2 blaster fusion pin per card or something. Something there probably for $25. Once again, here's the wrapper that came. But sorry about this, but the video didn't work, so the voice didn't work. So like and subscribe, tell me what you think. Be a short video. I'm in the hospital doing covering, so let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.